RARE is down a massive 44%. This is Monday, the 29th of December 2025. We also have AGQ, NUAI, CREV, and SMX. Yeah, okay, let's see what we have for RARE. Okay, 40 million shares have crossed the tape so far. Volatility is expected to cool off in the coming days. It's very high right now, but the average volume is usually around 1.654 million shares. Let's see what we have for RARE. Yeah, shares slide on bone disorder drug misses. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah. I think we covered the other stock that is associated with this. Yeah, MREO. Yeah. Okay, so the extrapolation on this daily chart is saying that lower prices may remain in place up till the 2nd of January. Then after that, it's just going to be a consolidation. Yeah. So, well, never say never, but don't expect a bounce given what has just happened now. Yeah, it's expected consolidation at these levels. But in any case, the algo seems to be suggesting that it might pick up from the 13th of January. What could possibly happen? Okay. Yeah, might pick up from then, but the price itself is not really expected to bounce either. AGQ down 19.67%. It's currently trending over three exits. Average volume have crossed the tape. Yeah, the stock is trading at a discount to its 50-day average. Sorry, that is volume weighted average price. Okay, yeah, it's the silver ETF. Okay, yeah, it's pulled back and expected to consolidate. What happened to silver? We'll see. We'll cover more of that later on. 121 is the downward projection, nothing to the upside. That's as things stand right now. Let's see. There might be some. There might be an uptrend here. No, nothing to the upside. Nothing. Let's see whether we ever had previous upper projections. Yeah, we had up to 171.59, 172.88 as of today, yeah. 172.58, 174.11. Yeah, sometimes these stocks, these commodities are manipulated, can be manipulated. NUAI down 33.22%. Okay, still hasn't reached its average volume. Okay, newly minted as well. On this daily chart, projections are currently saying, beginning from the least, some really negative downward projections, and then 0.99, $5, 5.81, 6.31. So it's a very wide range of projections on this daily chart. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. It may have had extrapolations. Let's see what we have. No extrapolations yet. Projections here saying 4.28, 4.16. Previous ones were saying up to 7.24. Let's see whether there are extrapolations on its 1-hour chart. Yeah, we have, and it's more of lower prices. Lower prices expected to continue at least up till tomorrow the 30th, or even beyond that. Yeah. and momentum is expected to remain weak up till it's already weak now. It's expected to continue to weaken up till tomorrow's pre-market session. It's expected to bounce and recover up till recover by tomorrow. The momentum is expected to recover by the same pre-market session as well. Okay, what will possibly warrant that? Yeah, but in any case, nothing. Yeah, that's what it's saying. It's saying that a bounce might happen, and when it picks up momentum, it's expected to hold it at least pretty much up till the next day. Yeah. So in a very short time, momentum is expected to pick up. I can't exactly tell you why or if that will be the case. Yeah. Okay. CREV down 28.46%, thinly traded. Let's see. CREV. Okay. Lower prices are expected to keep laying out on this 1 hour chart up till the close, up till the post market session of tomorrow. Projections are currently saying 2.29 and 1.89. Let's come down to the daily chart and see what we have for CREV. The underlying trend is bearish. Okay, it expanded from Tuesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Yeah. So after three straight session of gains, it's contracting. And what is expected next is a consolidation. Yeah, pretty much. And nothing. No, there might be an attempt to rebound. Yeah, but I think up till the 12th of January, what is expected is the consolidation. On this daily chart, projections are saying 5.16, 6.5, 7.43. Momentum is not expected to bounce as well. We haven't seen any news for CREV. Let's come down here to see. Maybe not. There may not be any. There may not be any news. No news. Yeah, there may not be any news. Yeah. SMX down 27.94%. Okay, so far hasn't reached its 50-day average of 1.9 million. Yeah, SMX it has a low float, I believe. Yeah, it has. That's even tells us about that as well. It has a low float, and it came up with a technology for identifying materials. Yeah, let's see whether there's any news. Why SMX's platform is serving continuity instead of trusting global supply chains. Oh my goodness. Yeah, let's see. For decades, supply chains ran on assumed trust. Documents moved with goods, certifications for which meant disputes were resolved through reconciliation and relationships. That system worked when scale was smaller, regulation tighter, and enforcement uneven. That environment no longer exists. What is replacing trust is continuity, proof that does not reset at every handoff. With verification that survives geography, jurisdiction, and time. Supply chains are being redesigned so materials carry their own history and systems confirm it without negotiation. Okay, let's see. SMX is built around the shift. Molecular identity allows materials to retain verification across processing, transfer, and reuse. Continuity becomes physical rather than procedural. Once continuity is engineered into the asset itself, thrust becomes unnecessary. Okay. Yeah, even though I exclaimed that's a positive. Okay. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Integrity has to be engineered. SMX offers a blueprint. Yeah, let's see. Here we don't have Sunderland trend severely bearish, but the algo seems to be suggesting it might pick up. It might pick up, but it might get a bounce from. It was actually saying that today, but it hasn't happened. Well, at least by it's saying it's going to pick up and remain strong up till the second of Friday the second. So far, so good. No way, not yet. Okay, and yeah, but ultimately, it's a consolidation that is expected. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, let's see. Do we have any projections for SMX? Yeah, we may have. Let's see what we have here: 225.58, 117.40. Okay, those are lofty ambitions. Lofty projections. So see what you make of all these stocks. Let's just quickly see SMX on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, here as well, a bounce is expected from the close of today's trading session, and it's more of an accumulative contraction going all the way towards Tuesday, the 6th of January. Projections are saying $37 as of now, but previously it included $37 and some really negative prices: 284, 350, 391.52. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video.